In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to multiple people individually using Microsoft Outlook. Sending one message to many people without exposing everyone's addresses is incredibly useful for privacy and for keeping replies tidy. Here's how to do it in a simple, dependable way. Start by opening Outlook. At the top, make sure you're on the Home tab, then select New Email to open a fresh message window. This creates the blank message where you'll set up your recipients and write your note. When the email window appears, click on CC. This opens the address panel where you can manage who receives your message. At the bottom of this panel, select BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. BCC keeps recipients hidden from one another, so each person receives your email without seeing anyone else on the list. Click inside the BCC field and type the email address of the first recipient you want to include. Take a moment to make sure the address is spelled correctly. A quick glance here prevents bounce backs later. When you're ready, click OK. You'll return to your email window, and you should now see the BCC line with the address you just added. Next, click into that BCC field. Press Enter to confirm the first address, then continue adding more recipients one by one. You can type an address, press Enter to lock it in, and repeat until everyone you want to include has been added. If Outlook suggests a contact as you type, you can select it to speed things up. Keep going until your full list is in the BCC field. With your recipients set, add a clear, concise subject line that tells people exactly what the message is about. Then write your email just as you normally would. Since this is going to multiple people, keep the body of your message general enough to make sense to everyone, but still friendly and helpful. Read it over once more for tone and typos, and confirm that the BCC field holds all the addresses you intended to include, with nothing in the TO or CC fields unless you truly want a visible recipient. When everything looks right, click Send. Outlook will deliver the email to each person individually. Recipients will see your email address, but they will not see anyone else who received the message, which protects privacy and cuts down on reply all clutter. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.